Hello students, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to calculate inflation rate by using CPI or the Consumer Price Index. In our previous lecture, we have calculated inflation rate through GDP deflator. In our today lecture, we will discuss that how to calculate inflation rate by using Consumer Price Index or CPI. Basically, CPI contains a basket of goods and that basket of good is fixed for the time period. And in this basket of goods, first of all, we calculate basket of good, and then on the basis of that basket of good, we will calculate CPI, and then we will calculate inflation rate. So now in this table we have 4 years, and against these 4 years we have the price of both the commodities, and we have the quantities of both two commodities. In year 2017 there are 10 pizzas produced and 15 CDs are produced. Similarly, in 2018, 11 pizzas are produced and 15 CDs, and in year 2019 there are 12 pizzas are produced and 16 CDs are produced, and on similarly goes on in 13 and 15 for year 2020. The price for all years for pizzas and CDs is fixed 20 pizzas for each, and 10 compact and 10 price for CDs.